A switch on and switch off cue is really about the level of focus the dog has. I'm telling the dog that we are about to do something which is going to receive lots of reinforcement. I need their undivided attention, and I'm going to give them a series of cues. When I switch them off, the dog is allowed to engage with the environment. The dog is told to relax or implied to relax, and they're allowed to take to remain neutral. With step 2, you're going to repeat step 1, but this time you're going to introduce your cue just before you change the picture. So, for example, you're going to say, ready, steady. You're going to very distinctly pause. You're going to stand up and you're going to play with your dog and interact with them or do your food games. So, the idea is that the dog starts to anticipate that every time you say that cue, you then use the previously trained cue, standing up from the chair, and you respond in exactly the same way. You want to repeat this stage, and sorry, then once you've done that, you want to use your off cue, so that will do, and repeat that step. Say the word, pause, stand up, and play. Switch the dog off, sit down. You want to repeat this stage until you see a distinct reaction to the cue, and you can have your reinforcement hidden on your person. So, for example, I'll tuck my toy around my neck, or down my jumper, or around my t-shirt. I'm sitting on my chair. I say the magic word. I count to 2 or 3 seconds. I stand up, I pull the toy out, I play with the dog. Hey you, yeah, woohoo! What's this one? Woo! Yeah, shh! Get that, sweetie, and we're moving it around. Get it? Shoo! Whoops! Yeah, get that one. Get that one. Good girl. And so again, I'm not particularly asking her to do anything. Just there it is. Yeah, get that one. Nice one. Good girl. Oh, thank you. That'll do. Good girl. And switch off. Okay. So all I've worked on there is if you see, as soon as I pop her down the ground, she spins around and she engages with me.